Well, I'm really happy to say that the third quarter 2020 was overall a good quarter for Inwido. We delivered a healthy organic growth of +4%, the sixth consecutive quarter of strengthened margins, order intake growth of +7%, as well as strong cash flows. We saw a continued good performance in Business Area South with a strong delivery in the larger Danish units, capitalizing on a robust Danish consumer market, as well as really good e-commerce growth. In Business Area North, we saw growing margins as well as growing order intake.
What are you most happy about in the quarter?
Well, given the numbers and the performance, it's hard not to be happy overall. But I'm obviously particularly happy to see an all-time high operating EBITDA of 247 million SEK, coupled then with a nice organic growth. I'm also really happy to see the operating EBITDA margin turn around in Business Area North. To see the continued strong organic growth performance in e-commerce of +42% is really showing us that the long-term investments that we've made, combined then with a strong local management team, is really paying off.
How was Inwido impacted by COVID-19?
Well, overall COVID-19 impact in the quarter, I'd say, is limited. The UK and Irish units continued their recovery towards a pre-COVID activity level following the shutdown early in Q2. We saw overall decent consumer demand and even likely some slight positive consumer demand impact, particularly in e-commerce. However, we had negative impacts, particularly in Business Area North then, from higher than normal absence levels, and we're yet to see full recovery in the Finnish in-home consumer sales segment.
So finally, Henrik, what is your outlook near term?
Well, we enter quarter four and what will be the start of the winter season with normally lower consumer activity levels with a stronger order backlog than at the same time last year. We see in the short term a decent continued consumer demand, although more hesitant industry markets, particularly in Business Area North. We stand fully committed to continue our long-term activities as well as investments to secure long-term sustainable revenue as well as profit growth.